I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I got a privacy screen guard, and of course I got a pack. United States, it corrected a lot than this one that is slightly lighter. It's my new iPhone. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video and wanting to watch it. And if you're a returning subscriber, huge hats to you. Love you guys so much. I totally appreciate all the love and support you all have been showing me on my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Adobe Okonkwo Bakparo. I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career in PMM, product marketing, and just living my best life, and everything sprinkled in between. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you do, at the end of watching this video, do your girl a big one. Make sure you like this video, share with your friends, and most importantly, leave a comment so that YouTube can somehow rank my videos up there. So those are just 3 ways you can show your support to me on my channel. Without any further ado, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my iPhone 16 unboxing and just telling you guys what I like about the phone and what I don't like about it. There's absolutely no particular reason for like upgrading, because I currently use the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I am actually going to sell and then use the money towards the new one that I got. I'm looking forward to testing out the camera. I've heard a little bit that the camera is supposed to be tiny bits better than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Some people say they don't even notice the difference, but I will be telling you what I think at the end of watching this video. So please keep on watching, like this video, share with your friends. I mean, I don't do tech unboxing. This is just the one-off every year. So if you're interested in lifestyle content and vlogs and product marketing, please consider subscribing and joining the family. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox our mobile phone. So this is the box it came in. I'm going to take some cute pictures, of course, and I want to also tell you guys that this is the first time I'm actually buying an Apple case. I usually would buy my case off of Amazon, but I don't think I saw anyone that I liked. So I was like, you know what, I might as well just buy the case from them. So that's what I got. I would need to take some pictures. Okay, so let's talk about the iPhone that I got. I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 512 gig because I always run out of storage, and this is in the color Desert Titanium. This is supposed to be the rose goldish one. And then the case that I got a couple of other items. I got a privacy screen guard. It comes with a screen guard for my phone as well as for the camera lens, and of course I got a pack for it. I don't want you guys to be seeing my face too much. I'm going to go straight and do a very quick unboxing. This is supposed to be a really quick video. I actually picked this up since Saturday, and it's shocking that I haven't like been gingered to because before I would have opened it immediately. But yeah, let's get into it and unbox it proper. And just gonna go ahead and yes, come closer guys. Hair, it's so soft and luscious but doesn't hold curls at all. Anyways, back to the iPhone. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I'm going to, because it's disturbing me. I don't know if you can see it. It wasn't well placed. Let me do it again. Attempt number 2. Much better, but it's still a little bit there. It's gonna clear out by itself. I'm not gonna stress about it. But yeah, and this is the new iPhone. Okay, so I'm just gonna swipe up. United States, default is fine. Quick start, connecting, continue on your. Okay, so it's setting up. I don't want to move all my images. It's just I didn't want to have to start figuring out. So now it's just telling me what to do. Let me customize it. I just use it for silent mode. It's gonna take a few minutes, so I'm just gonna allow that to marinate. Guys, I just unboxed it and everything is set up. I'm wondering why it's showing me my very old. I'm wondering why it's showing me like my old wallpaper. It even moved all my apps too. It's asking me to set photography style. I can set that up later. Let's. Ooh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I told you. I'll lose my space, my memory space. And I zoomed in even more. I don't know, maybe this one has more rich colors. You can see that it corrected a lot than this one that is slightly lighter. Okay, so obviously nothing too special. Now let's do, ooh, they have a spatial. What's spatial? I don't know what that is. Then they have video, they have slow-mo. I've never used time-lapse before. It will be interesting to start doing. And then they have cinematic. Let's record a quick video. I never use the iPhone video to take videos directly, but this isn't bad, to be honest. Then let's take from behind. Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I love it. I wish I could show you guys all the feature. I'm going to be doing an updated video later on once I have used it for a little bit and I have like more deets to share with you guys. Right now, this is my first time literally using it, so I could go out and show you guys, take pictures, but actually let me take some selfies. I'm going to take pictures, take videos, and then just put it on here so you guys can compare, and I'll be right back. And guys, so I have unboxed it and I wanted to show you guys that this new one is slightly larger. Maybe it's not, but it looks longer. Yeah, it's definitely longer. I really liked this. Thank God. I was like, I hope I'll be able to use this. This has been a lifesaver. You literally just probably prop it up on this thing and take pictures. Then this is the old phone that I would be selling off today. You can see it just falls off on its own. It's not like the sticky one, but nothing spoiled. I'm gonna change the case anyways once they have it available on Shein. It's my new iPhone. I need to take pictures with the phone. I have unboxed the phone. I don't know if the size, because it feels lighter than this one for sure. Feels lighter. It's bigger, but for some reason it's longer, but for some reason it is lighter. Another thing I wanted to point out is if you use like phone tripod, this button that they added here becomes an issue, because now you have to be extremely careful how you place it. You have to place it exactly at the middle like this, which is so annoying, or you place it like right below that button. If not, like right now it's pressing it, so the only way is to put it exactly at the center, or like this that I just placed it, and then you shouldn't have an issue. But that's a lot of work if you ask me. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to point out. So there's that button. You guys already know that you just press, but it's like so weird. I don't take pictures like this, and then you can use it to, it takes a little bit of getting used to. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out. It's pretty interesting. It definitely takes a little bit of getting used to, but so far I like it. Hey guys, so that is pretty much everything in today's unboxing video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give me a heart, like this video, share this video with your friends, comment down below anything you want to. If you're going to be changing your phone this year, let me know in the comment section what color you'll be getting. I got the desert titanium, and I'm so happy with my decision. I'm so happy with the phone. I'm gonna test it out some more, do like vlog and pictures, and just show you a day in the life using the iPhone as my sole means of content creation, and then you guys can decide if it's worth the money or worth the upgrade. So on to my next one, guys. I hope you all enjoy my video. I make videos about productivity, just lifestyle, and everything in between. So those are kind of the videos that you're going to be seeing on my channel. I'll put a playlist linked below and also in the description box, so you can go ahead and check out my other videos, and hopefully subscribe if you like my vibe. On to my next one, guys. Love you all so much. Bye.